Hello, good morning, and thanks for joining me. Welcome back. Judy from Thistledew Creations here. I just finished doing my video with the Happy Mail from Linda Stiles and Rami. And I don't even know if I said who the other one was from. Oh yeah, Christiana Tegart. And this stood out to me in that bunch of Happy Mail stuff. This vintage letter fold that Linda sent me, and it's just a piece of paper folded in such a way that you don't need an envelope. Now hers was done a little simpler than mine now that I unfold it. So it's just a piece out of a book. Looks like some sort of a building book. And then you kind of just make your own envelope. So the video that I saw and I had done, I think I have a bunch of them somewhere, but I can only find this one right now, where the one I saw was folded in on itself more, had more folds to it. So this was just a part piece of paper, folded to the middle, then folded to the middle again, and then you create your envelope by folding up and then folding the flaps inside of that. So I thought I would just do a few so you can see. Now hers, like I said, is much simpler, keeps the envelope looking larger, the faux envelopes. So I'm going to start with this piece of inked paper that I did in a video a while back where I said I was giddy, if you want to search it. So I'm just going to play with different ways to fold them. I'm going to do one horizontal and one vertical. So this one I'll do horizontal. So this one actually has a little bit of writing on the inside, but it doesn't matter. So I'm going to do my version where you fold into the middle. So just to the paper's meet. Try to keep your bottom edges going straight. I do have a bone folder handy, so I'll use it. And then bring this in just to meet. And do the bone folder. And then you can go in again to the middle. I think this just makes it feel a little sturdier, if it's a single page especially. Folding it in again. And also, if you're, like we used to pass notes in school all the time. I know kids today, they just text, but we used to do them and we'd fold them all different ways so that you could kind of hide them in the palm of your hand when you're walking down the hall. And then this folds up. And then this little flap, you want to fold it down far enough to tuck in, but not so far that it's going to be difficult to tuck in. And just tuck that inside the first folds. And that makes a tidy little packet that you can address. And I don't know that I would send it in the mail like this these days, but I think that a long time ago, that's what they did, was they just sent their mail like this before the invention of an envelope. And so then I've got some, I think this was food coloring dye that I did. So I'm going to fold into the center, the other direction. And this one, because it's going to be too narrow, I won't fold it in again. I'll just fold it in once. I'm not sure how important it is to be. I think it is pretty important that the folds are precise. This paper's kind of curly, so it's kind of hard to get it exact. And then just fold up. And then fold down far enough to tuck in. So pretty simple little idea. A great way to have sort of a hidden journaling spot, and a great way to have like a full-size page included in your smaller journal. So I just thought I would show you that. This sparked it. This vintage letter fold is what she's calling it. And I just thought, I've done that and I didn't do a video, so today we did. So I would love it if you would come to my Facebook group, Thistledew Creations, and my Facebook page, Thistledew Creations, and share what you've made. based on my videos. I would love that. So like, comment, share, and subscribe. Most of all, have a great day and happy crafting.